Here are 10 jobs AI is likely to replace by 2030, and 10 that should survive. AI is getting faster, cheaper, and better at routine work, so roles with repetitive tasks are most at risk. But jobs needing human judgment and empathy will remain. Most at risk: data entry clerks, basic customer service reps, telemarketers, and receptionists, because AI can handle forms, scheduling, and common questions 24/7. Also at risk are bookkeeping and payroll roles as software automates invoices, expenses, and reporting. Cashiers and fast food order takers are also vulnerable as kiosks and voice assistants improve. Add warehouse pickers and basic assembly line workers as robots get cheaper. Even some junior content roles like simple copywriting or basic video editing may be heavily automated. Now, 10 jobs likely to survive: nurses, therapists, and caregivers, because trust, empathy, and hands on care are hard to automate. Teachers and trainers will still matter, especially for motivation and adapting to individual needs, even if AI helps with lesson planning. Skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and HVAC techs should stay strong since the work is physical, varied, and happens in unpredictable environments. Also resilient: managers and project leaders who coordinate people, handle conflict, and make high stakes decisions with incomplete information. Creative directors, product designers, and entrepreneurs will survive because originality and taste are more than pattern matching. Lawyers and compliance professionals will still be needed for accountability and negotiation. And cybersecurity specialists will grow as AI increases both defense and attack capabilities. The takeaway: AI won't replace everyone, it will replace tasks. If your job is routine, learn to use AI tools, move toward problem solving, and build people's skills. The safest careers combine technical literacy with human connection, creativity, and real world responsibility.